How to fix Fubo black screen problem. To fix the Fubo's black screen problem, first of all, you have to go ahead and then proceed to hard reset your device. Simply disconnect the HDMI cable from both your streaming stick box and your TV. Wait 10 seconds, then plug them firmly back in. Want to do this? Move your streaming device to a different HDMI port or your TV. Want to do this? Connect your streaming hardware directly to the TV rather than routing it through a HDMI switcher, splitter, or soundbar. Now you simply have to go ahead and then force close the Fubo to reset the video decoder. You simply have to go to the settings of your streaming device, then head to the applications section. From there, locate the Fubo application, click the force stop, then clear the cache. Once you do this, your problem will be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.